All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Before I begin, I just want to say I'm having a $25 free Bitcoin giveaway. $25 in Bitcoin for free. Just enter for free via my Gleam link located in the description of my giveaway video. And as always, please subscribe, like, and share. Much appreciated as I'm just getting the channel going. If you have anything or you want to comment on a project or this project, or if you want me to look into a project to GPU mine and review, please leave that in the comment section. So today I want to talk about MonaCoin and how to mine it. So what is MonaCoin? I'm on their website here, monacoin.org, which I'll leave in the description of the video. It's the first Japanese cryptocurrency. About MonaCoin. MonaCoin, conceived in the December of 2013, is the first alternative cryptocurrency developed in Japan. It is based on the popular ASIC art character Mona. MonaCoin is not a payment system controlled by one single entity, but a fully distributed payment system preserved by everyone who uses it via client applications running on their computers. While much of the world treats most cryptocurrencies as speculative ventures, MonaCoin is a cryptocurrency popularized by the initiative of its community. It continues to be nurtured and built upon, not by a core development team, but by its enthusiastic user base. To give some examples, MonaCoin users have brought up various kinds of Mona-based web application and services, have erected shrines in appreciation of MonaCoin, regularly play word games when tipping others, known as monage, or throwing Mona, and otherwise use the coin in ways users of most other coins would never have thought of. Check out this video for more info. So there's a video here. I'm not going to play it. It's about 7 or 8 minutes, but it goes over MonaCoin's ecosystem, what you use MonaCoin for, and what you can buy with it. So, and it talks about the coin specification. So when you get a chance, if you're interested in the project, check that out. Technical details. The algorithm is Lyra 2 RE2 or 2 Rev 2. Block time is 1.5 minutes, 1.5 minutes. Block reward 25 Mona. Total coins 105,120,000. Subsidy halves every 1,051,000 blocks, which is every 3 years. Difficulty retarget every block. It uses dark gravity for the blockchain, and it calculates every block. And there's no pre-mine. And that's going to be about it. So here's the wallets. You can choose your wallet. I chose the Windows 64-bit wallet, which is here. You can get it on their GitHub here. And you can read about it a little bit. So if you want to check that out when you get a chance, that's the source code. And here is the Windows 64-bit wallet. And you can get the wallet that you want to use here. And that's going to be about it. Pretty short. I do want to go over to CoinMarketCap. It's currently ranked 52, so fairly high up there. And you can read a little bit about it here. It's an open source peer-to-peer payment network. It was thrust into limelight when it was featured on WBS-TV network Tokyo, which reported a man purchasing a plot of land in Nagano with MonaCoin. So that's kind of interesting. Right now, the circulating supply is 65,729,675. I am using Pro Hashing pool, which is a little bit different than you're used to doing. You have to register your username. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this tools section. You're going to put the algorithm Lyra2REV2. You're going to be mining a specific coin, which is MonaCoin. Here I'm putting CryptoVin. You can put whatever you want to name your miner as. That's basically all you really have to fill out. Here's the mining pool address, and this is what you're going to put in for password. So it's telling you how to set up the command line. So let's go to Simplemining. Let's go to group config. As you can see, I'm currently mining it. I'm using ccminer 9.1. And let's go over this command line. So the algorithm, again, Lyra2v2 is what you want. And -O, after that, you're putting the mining address and the port. -U is your username. In my case, it's CryptoVin. You would put your username here, and then -P is the password. And like I said, you're going to copy and paste your password, which is right here. In my case, this is what it says. But it's a command line generator, so it's going to be whatever you put in for these fields, which should be the same except your username, which is going to be different from CryptoVin, probably. Let's see. Let's go back to Simplemining. So here's my password there. And let's go to add a group. And you're going to be using ccminer. I'm using 9.1, but use whatever you want to use. That's good for you. So you're going to show more info just to go over the information. You're going to go down here and you're going to see Lyra2v2, and that's MonaCoin. So that's what you're going to be using. And that's how you know that this is what the proper miner you're using, ccminer. Put your cut and paste or fill in the information here for your command line. And I'll leave the command line in the description of this video so it's easy for you. Group name, MonaCoin. I usually do group description as the pool and what miner I'm using. You can see here, ccminer and ccminer 9.1 Pro Hash and MonaCoin. So let's go to rig list. I'm getting about 131.96 mega hashes. I have not overclocked my GPUs for this specific algorithm, just using what I have there, which is currently what I use for a Blake 2B algorithm. But you use what you want to use and set it up how you want it at your own risk, of course. And as you can see, I'm successfully mining and I'm getting shares. Yes, yes, yes means I'm getting shares. And you can see I'm getting more shares here. My GPUs are running fairly cool, so obviously the overclocking can be tweaked a little bit. And as you can see here, I'm getting 132 mega hashes. So probably can squeeze out a little bit more if I were to overclock. So I hope that helps. I hope that gets you started quickly. If you're interested in mining MonaCoin, let me know. Have you heard of the project? Have you mined it before? Do you think you're going to mine it? Let me know. I'd be curious to find out. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Appreciate it. And don't forget about that giveaway. I'll leave a link for it in this video. And I'll leave the command line and the appropriate links also in the description of the video. So as always, thanks for watching again. And until next